If you're tired of scooping leaves, scrubbing tiles, or babysitting your pool vacuum, it's time to upgrade. In this video, we're diving into the best pool cleaners of 2025, from high-tech robotic systems to powerful cordless vacuums. Let's find the right one for your backyard oasis. If you're after flexibility and portability, the Pool Blaster Max delivers powerful suction with zero hoses or cords. Designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools, it runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and easily tackles leaves, sand, and algae with its deep cleaning vacuum head. It's fully handheld, ideal for tight spaces or spot cleaning deep ends. With up to 1 hour of runtime, it's great for pool owners who want quick, cordless cleaning without sacrificing power. Check the description now to see current deals on the Pool Blaster Max. Want a smart, hands-free cleaning solution that works from top to bottom? This bundle combines the AIPER Scuba S1 robotic cleaner, which intelligently maps and scrubs your pool floor, walls, and waterline, with the Surfer S2, a solar-powered surface skimmer that silently glides across your pool, collecting leaves and debris. Together, they offer comprehensive coverage with eco-friendly operation. Ideal for modern in-ground pool owners who want minimal upkeep with maximum results. Tap the description to grab this smart bundle and see if it's on sale. The Polaris Vac-Sweep 360 continues to be one of the most trusted pressure-side pool cleaners for in-ground pools. With its triple jet propulsion system and large debris bag, it's built to scrub, sweep, and vacuum every corner of your pool, walls and steps included. It doesn't require a booster pump, making installation easier and energy usage lower. If you've got leaves, pebbles, or heavier debris to deal with, this cleaner is a workhorse. It's perfect for larger pools or anyone who wants a proven, low-maintenance option. Check the description below to find current deals on the Polaris 360. Compact, affordable, and efficient, the Poolwhale Jet Vacuum is ideal for above-ground pools, spas, ponds, or fountains. It uses a garden hose to create suction and pull in sand, dirt, and leaves into the attached mesh bag. It includes a scrubbing brush and a 6-section telescopic pole, giving you extended reach without needing a pump or electricity. Great for light maintenance and spot cleaning, it's a go-to tool for pool owners who want a budget-friendly, manual solution. Click the description below to check pricing on the Poolwhale Jet Vacuum. For in-ground gunite pools up to 20 by 40 feet, the Hayward Navigator Pro is a premium suction-side cleaner known for its smart drive steering system and quiet operation. It connects directly to your pool's skimmer or suction port and delivers deep, automatic vacuuming in a predictable cleaning pattern. Its wide suction path and strong climbing ability make it perfect for large pools with stubborn dirt, especially those with unique shapes or stairs. Hit the link in the description to get the latest pricing on the Hayward Navigator Pro. Whether you're after pressure-side power, solar surface skimming, or cordless convenience, 2025's pool cleaners have something for every pool owner. All the models featured today are linked in the description below. So go ahead, compare specs, check prices, and grab the one that fits your setup. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let us know which pool cleaner you're eyeing in the comments.